Welcome to our second flight of the day. We are descending through 14,300 feet into the Washington area, just about to enter the TFR. There's a gigantic temporary flight restriction, which is funny that they call it a TFR because it's basically a permanent flight restriction in the Washington area. Just about to pass over Baltimore. 14,000 feet now and 48 miles out.
Caution, TFR ahead.
There's Betty letting us know. Descending at 1,000 feet per minute. You may notice it's awfully quiet. Why? Well,
Caution, inside TFR.
because we were cruising at 32,000 feet. The expected distance from your destination at which you should anticipate being ordered to descend is 107 nautical miles left on the route. And we got to 107 and just blew right past it. No word from ATC, nothing. So it was going to devolve into one of those situations again where ATC ignored us and probably would have begun giving us descent instructions, you know, when we're 10 miles from the airport. I don't know, whatever. Anyway, I disabled ATC. Flying right over BWI right now. Baltimore. Very interesting, tricky approach. Don't know what to expect of it. But you can see, needless to say, it's complicated. And we're going to do the RNAV runway 19. But you can see it follows the Potomac. So that could be very interesting. I've landed in Reagan National many times in real life, but never in the sim, or in this sim. 40 miles out left on our route, 12,200 feet. Perfect as it relates to our altitude, if nothing else. ATC, I'm just sort of checking. Please expedite your climb to 32,000 feet. That's funny. Okay, we're descending into known icing conditions, so let's get our anti-icing equipment on. 32 degrees and snow flurries reported at Reagan National Airport. About to head into those clouds. Oof, that looks good. Wow, gotta love it. 11,500 feet, so let's continue slowing. Just to give you some perspective, what's that, 250, as we're at 11,200 feet. 35 miles out. At 30 miles out, you'd expect to be at 9,000 feet. We're at 11,100, so we'll go ahead and increase our descent rate slightly and continue slowing. Anyway, give you an idea. Here we are. I'm gonna make this right turn. Hang a big old left. Turn towards the south. Runway 19. And hey, listen, I don't know what to tell you. At Derrick, look at those clouds. God. At Derrick, we should be at 2,600 feet. At Grays, we should be at 1,700 feet. At Seatalk, we should be at 1,500 feet. But it's a very weird approach, and so I don't know what to tell you. 30 miles out, 9,800 feet. We're just fine, just fine. Bumpy. I know this doesn't come through on the videos, but here up on the flight deck, with this big screen in front of me, this 49-inch screen, it is bouncing. We are bouncing. We'll see if there's any actual snow falling. Oh, I love the clouds. Wow, we're getting a great treat. Look at this. Oh boy. Oh my God, it really conveys the enormity of clouds, you know? 27 miles out. At 20 miles out, we'd expect to be at, turn off our bank limiter. At 20 miles out, we'd expect to be at 6,000 feet. Airport elevation is 14 feet. Approach course 187. I already have that programmed in. Runway. Oh, I'm hearing something on the aircraft. You hear that clicking? That's precipitation. Sleet or something. Runway length 7,169 feet. Minimums, which we need to enter, are 491. And by the way, we're 51 minutes, 32 seconds into the flight. Took off from, where the hell did we take off from? Quonset, in Rhode Island. Minimums, barometric, are 491. This could end up being very interesting or very ugly, which is not to suggest that it couldn't be both at the same time. Yeah, there's rain going across the windscreen. It's -2 out, so I'm guessing it's probably sleet. – 6,600 feet, 21 miles, so we're perfect. I mean, everything's fine in terms of our altitude and so forth. Descending at 700 feet per minute. We are really bouncing around. We're not getting snow, but we're getting a lot of rain or sleet. A lot. Very heavy precipitation. Coming up on Megs. At Megs, we'll make a left. Well, the sim has adopted this approach that requires us to continue north of Megs. I might take that over for what it's worth. Remember, this is an RNAV, so there's no ILS information to enter. And RNAVs, at least in the sim, are very unreliable until you're close. Go ahead and depressurize. Get our landing lights on. This is either going to be very ugly or very cool. I don't know. Continue slowing. We're going to be IMC. This is going to be a very, very complicated approach. I thought about, what the hell? Let's activate heading. Let's turn left. Wow. This is, dare I say, scary. 19 miles, 5,000 feet. Descending 600 feet per minute. Keeping a real sharp eye on this. I want to intercept that. Okay.
Caution, TFR ahead.
Needless to say, this very restricted airspace here in the Washington, D.C. area for understandable reasons. Set to 190 on airspeed. All right, we're headed to Fergie. Fergie right here. F-E-R-G-I. And remember, at Derrick, no lower than 2,600. We're at 4,600 now, so we're good. Fergie's still 60. It's going up. Could be interesting. We're gonna have our hands full here, guys. Only 5. We're gonna have to fly this river approach. I think we're not going to be able to use the RNAV. What's that approach course? What did I say? 187? Oh God, and we're in the clouds. Ugh. This is, oh God, this is a nightmare scenario. If we can just get under the clouds, I'll be happier. Headed to Fergie. $20 miles out. I'm really relying on the MFD right now in terms of keeping us where we need to be. Remember, Derrick, at Derrick, D-A-R-I-C, we want to be at 2,600 feet, okay? And we're at 3,700 feet right now. We're doing just fine, but I'm controlling this myself. I am handling this approach using the autopilot heading coordinator. But it's okay. We're doing all right. Let's get our landing lights. Oh, they're already on. Sorry. Oh my goodness. This is... You can actually look at the visualized simulator. This is the basically the route we're going to take. We've got to fly the Potomac. Derrick's coming up. 2,600 at Derrick. Minimums, let's set minimums 491, let's set 500. Wow, what shit weather. Holy smokes, I hope I haven't bitten off more than I can chew. I don't know what the ceilings are in Reagan, but it looks dark, and it's still really cloudy. Okay, here we come up on Derrick. Oh man, am I gonna have my hands full on this one, you guys? Oof, man, this is a very complicated approach. Oh, I'm having to do it by hand. Well, I guess not technically by hand, but still. Complicated. I gotta zoom in. I gotta zoom in. Holy mackerel. 7.6 miles out. Put our gear down. You guys, this is one of the more stressful ones I've done, putting it mildly. Slow down to 150. Got a left turn coming. I can't see anything. Nothing. But I have, thank God, my MFD. We're at Grays. Grays, we want to be at 1,700. We're at 2,000, so we're a little higher than we should be. Fuck. There's Sea Talk. Oh, God. Holy shit. Oh, man. This is a ball buster. Oh boy. 1,300 on the radio altimeter. It's at 140. Full flaps. Oh man, you guys. Oh, there's the ground. Here comes Weirso. Oh my goodness. This is too much. Oh my god, the buildings. Who knew this was such a ballbuster of a fine approach? Holy Christ! Oh my god, this one's taken years off my life. Okay, I'm gonna take...
Autopilot.
I've got it. Auto throttle. What am I doing here? Hold on, guys. Somehow... we've turned. Okay, alright. Missed approach, missed approach, missed approach. We're gonna climb. We're gonna get the hell out of Dodge. Straight and level. Don't get discouraged. Gear up.
Landing here. Landing here. Landing here.
Flaps retracted. We're gonna try this again. Don't. It's okay. Right now the Air Force is coming to shoot us down. I understand. Oh my god. Why didn't they have an ILS? Okay, just everybody calm down. Stay calm. I gotta trim this bird. Okay. We're gonna try it again. Oh shit. This was a nightmare. Stop climbing. Trim this bird. God damn it. Okay, we're gonna try it again. Listen, I could edit this. I could, but I'm not going to. Because, you know what? This is... I could have flown to Miami. But I chose to fly to Washington during a snowstorm. Okay, approach course, remember, for this runway is 187, so that's 7 degrees right of due south. So we'll go to 007. Oh my god, you guys. I am not happy. Terrible weather, no visibility, a damn near impossible approach. Okay, we're at 3,900 feet, so we're way too high. I almost wonder if I should divert. I mean, coming up on Sea Talk again, so we'll try it. I'm just going to hand fly it. One notch of flaps.
Landing here.
Oh no, we still got notch of flaps today. Disregard. This was absolutely terrifying. Okay, here comes Sea Talk. Sea Talk, we want to be at 1,500 feet, or 2,500 feet. Here's that right turn. I'm having to fly this by hand. What am I doing? Bank angle. There's grays. Oh my god, this is the most challenging landing I've ever attempted. Okay, 1,900 feet, 1,800 feet. There's a bird right in front of us. I'll just follow him. There's Sea Talk. Oh my god, there's planes everywhere. It's Bedlam! Ah! Okay, gear. Full flaps. Our altitude's fine. Oh my god, can you believe this? Oh, we're too slow. Oh my god, I am like terrified right now. Okay, we're actually shooting the approach okay right now. Except we're climbing because I got scared of those buildings. Oh my god. Oh. Airspeed's all right. 138, 1,400 feet. There's Weirsos coming up. Oh my God, this has been absolutely terrifying. I still don't know what's going to happen. I have no idea. None. I can't see anything. Here comes a right turn. There's another plane we just passed. Okay, here's a big right turn. 146 on our airspeed, that's fine. Bank angle. Airport should be right in front of us. Come on, guys. There it is! Oh my.
Inside TFR.
Yikes! This is a nightmare! Oh shit. We got 4 whites on the poppies. I gotta get on the ground, you guys. I gotta get on the ground. I'm sorry. Sink rate. Sink rate.
Sink rate. Sink rate.
There it is.
500.
Oh shit.
500.
Oh! Come on, get on the ground.
Short
Just
final runway 15.
okay, you guys. That was a disaster of the highest order. Okay, so why was it a disaster? Well, my God, why wasn't it a disaster? It was a disaster for a few
Runway
reasons.
22.
First of all, we landed on the wrong runway.
Entered runway 22. 4,600 feet remaining.
Oh my God. We were supposed to land on runway 19 and we landed on runway 15. But I'm sorry. I had to get on the ground, you guys. I had to get on the ground. Oh, there's snow flurries. I had to. I didn't know what to do. I mean, I couldn't go around again. I just couldn't. Not in these conditions. All right, so I'm about to go get arrested, so you'll forgive me. But let's get off the runway. Well, listen, I'm honest if I'm nothing else. Let's exit. Holy Christ. What a place to... Look at this weather! I mean, this would be a challenging approach in good weather. All right. Right now, Tower's saying, we have a number for you to call. That was just too much. It was too much. It was too much. I'm having a heart attack. I can't believe we landed. I can't believe that we managed to get on the ground. Granted, on the wrong runway, but still. Washington ground, taxi to parking. Oh my God, I will never bother with such nonsense again. Oh, we'll stop our timer. Hour and 9 minutes. Oh my goodness gracious. That was too much. It was too much. I can't believe we didn't crash. Honestly, I thought we were going to crash.
Approaching runway 0422.
There goes an airplane. For the first time,
Entered runway 04.
there's a plane landing. For the first time, really, since I started flying the longitude, I thought we were going to crash.
Approaching runway 0119. Entered runway
Granted, we had the usual chaos in terms of too many airplanes in the sky, and near mid-air collisions and so forth. But for whatever reason, I guess I'm a masochist, I chose a weird, kind of a quasi-visual approach, certainly non-precision approach, to an airport. Very strange approach, not a straight in, and in terrible weather, in completely non-existent visibility. Oh boy, am I going to be in big trouble though. Am I going to be in big trouble for landing on the on the wrong runway? Hey, listen though, you know what? It was exciting. And we made it. Hey, listen, all kidding aside, that's the most important thing. Somehow, by some miracle, we managed to get this bird on the ground in these conditions. I really did start to entertain the concept of just diverting. But then I didn't. Well, that's... I mean, I've had a few shit show approaches and stuff in the sim, but nothing like that. This one's I'm gonna retire the jersey in terms of shit show approach jerseys after this. I mean, I've never experienced anything like it. Wow. I mean, honestly, my blood pressure, my respiration, my pulse. I can't believe we landed. I cannot believe that we successfully landed. Oh, can you imagine what the poor passengers must have been thinking? All right. Well, enough of that. Let's park. Oh, I'm absolutely exhausted. Let's see, are we going to actually get flashlight help? Look at this weather. I don't see anybody. No? No, I don't see anybody. Alright, anyway. That's that. Okay, well, listen, I mean, for somebody who prides himself on trying to do things right, I'm not pleased with that. But I also think it was kind of funny. But I am happy that we managed to land safely, despite what I think is probably safe to characterize as overwhelming odds against us. I'm waiting for the feds to come see me, because believe me, they're gonna want to. But anyway, that was still fun, and I'm seeing snow. I'm seeing snow. See the snow. Nothing on the ground, but kind of a mix. Anyway, all right, everybody. Well, let it never be said that you're not going to get an exciting flight in 3 Bravo Whiskey. All right, left engine and there we go. All right, 1 hour, 6 minutes, 8 seconds from Quonset, Rhode Island, KOQU to Reagan National. And, oh, lordy, what a flight that was. But maybe we landed on the wrong runway. I admit it. It's only a 5,200-foot runway, by the way. I just checked, runway 15 as opposed to runway 19. But, well, what are you going to do? It's a sim. And we're safe. That's the most important thing. 3 Bravo Whiskey remains safe. Batting 1,000 on safe landings. Anyway, thanks for joining me for the silliness. That's it.